The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Weston County and northeastern Wyoming until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive hail up to 10 size and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 10 miles southwest of Morrissey, or 33 miles southwest of downtown Newcastle, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include downtown Newcastle, Morrissey, and Osage. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Weston County, Wyoming.
This is